This is the second part of the RS-232 lab where we've got two computers that are communicating with each other. First of all, let's go up and change some of the view parameters around. One of the view parameters that might be nice to have is show length and also end of line sequence. So if I send a message from a desktop, will come up and this is a long message from the desktop, and I get the a couple characters showing us the end of line characters. Now this is what we're seeing in ASCII. If we go up to view and we go to radix or radix, however you want to pronounce it, we can have it as string right now. If we wanted to change that and say, I want to see that message in the hexadecimal format, we start seeing the actual characters that are sent. Some of these are identifiable on the ASCII chart. If you wanted to go ahead and take a look at that, I'm going to widen this out a little bit so that we see as we progress on the different ASCII configuration. And it stores the actual binary data. If you wanted to take a look at the binary and go through and decrypt each one of these, I believe this is an artifact that when we actually do the scrolling. So it might be best for you to stay in either the string mode or the hexadecimal mode. We'll go back to string mode. So send some messages back and forth so that you can see how that works. The other thing that we can do is a little bit down here on the bottom. Not only can we send a text message, but I've got a file here. We can actually select a file. It's going to work best, of course, if it is a text file so that you can read it at the other end. Select a text file and hit send file. Okay, I've selected a text file on the desktop and I'll be sending it over to the laptop. I've got this set on a fairly low baud rate, about 2400. So you can see that it does take a little while for all of the ASCII codes to come across. So once we get done with this, we can actually go ahead and do the next step. So what I'd like you to do is try several different sizes of text files and maybe even some digital files at different speeds, and see how much you can stress the system and explore this particular VAT or YAT terminal emulator, and get any other questions you come up with. Ask me at the lab, and we will go from there. See you next time.